Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create a local user account in your Windows 11 PC. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 operating system, laptop or desktop, and you are wondering how to create local user account. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you want to click here, start menu, and then you're going to find here something say settings. Simply click over there in the left side, you're going to find here something say accounts. After click over accounts in the right side, you're going to find here something say family and other users. Simply just extend it, and after that you're going to see a screen appear just like this. Here, if you decide to create a new user account in your PC, you can just simply click here add account. I already have an account. Now I'm going to create a new user account for my PC. So what you have to do, just click here add account, and then a pop-up going to be appear just like this. If that person has an email address like a Microsoft account, you can just simply type his email account. And but I'm not going to typing with his email account. I'm going to create a local user account which will be more easy to use. So anyway, for that I have to click here. I don't have that person sign in information, and then it's going to give you again to create an account. Also, I'm going to click here add a user without a Microsoft account. Now it's saying to who is going to use this PC. Obviously, the person who is going to use this PC. So I'm going to type my sister name. And now here, if you decide to give her a password for her user, you can type here a password. So for example, I'm going to type here password 123. Also, you can preview the password, the password you had typed. Also, you need to type the same password again. Also, it's saying to in case you forget your password, how you can recover the account. Here you're going to see there's a bunch of questions available related to your life, like what is your first pet name, what is the name of city where you were born, what was your childhood nickname, etc. etc. For example, I'm going to choose here what was your first pet names. I'm going to choose here A, for example, and this is saying what is the name of city where you were born. I'm going to type here B, and then third secretary question, what was your childhood nickname? I'm going to type here C. For me to just to remember, you can easily type the related to you. You can see simply type those questions, and later on, if you somehow you forget the password, you can recover your user account. So anyway, I'm going to click here next, and now you can see I had successfully created a new user account in my Windows 11 PC. Now I have two local accounts. Now maybe somehow or some cases you might be want to give a person to full access, which is like a administrator. In order to do that, you need to just extend it and then change your account type. By default, it will be standard user. If you decide to give that person to administrator, you can choose it and click here OK, and that person is going to be administrator, which is might be risky if you don't know that person, or he is not or she is not expert in the PC. Definitely I'll suggest you to give her or give him only a standard user, because a administrator user also can remove you yourself also. So this is really very risky. So I'll definitely suggest you to choose give any person in your family member who want to use this PC, give them a local account. Also, maybe some or some cases you might be wondering how to remove that local account. In order to do that, just choose the user you want to delete. Just choose extend it and click here remove, and then you're going to see a pop-up appear. Do you want to delete it? If you click delete, that's going to delete all that person user like desktop, download, documents, photo, music, and all other files. So I obviously need to delete account and data, and that's going to be deleted. So within this way, you can easily create local user account in your Windows 11 PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.